What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing an install. We have a 2013 SI we're going to be doing an intake on. But yeah, so the guys are here so far. We got SRT charger. We got my 392. And then we got a new car to the channel. We got a 13 SI. But yeah. Alright guys, so we just opened the box. You obviously got that shipping packaging paper. And then, so right here, you have the KTUNED filter for the intake. Race proven. Cool little license plate. Adds 5 horsepower. There we go. You got some more stickers. Each one's 2 horsepower, so it's 2 right there. We got intake coupler. I think it's a 2.5 to 3 inch conversion with PC valve tubing for the little blow by air. They're saying in the video that this might surge. We're gonna find out again. And this is the actual like the intake housing, I guess you could say. So yeah, and it comes with obviously hardware, and then this is a bracket. So yeah, we'll get to it. Alright guys, so what we're doing right now is we're gonna be taking this little bracket right here off. This one right here. This is the map sensor. This is that it's like the heating breathing tube. Once this comes off, we're gonna take this box right here, which is the actual intake box. We're gonna take the top part out. I don't know if we're gonna be doing the bottom part necessarily, just depending what he wants to do with it. But yeah, so this part all is gonna come out. So I already took the breathing tube off. I took this off already. This should just slide off like it's doing. And I'm gonna be taking these MAF sensor bolts off. So there's all that stock as fuck. So wow. Oh shit. It's pretty dirty. Probably losing some horsepower right there. Yeah, you open this, you're like, alright, this actually looks pretty good. And then you turn around, you just see sludge and horsepower killing oil.
It's a little bit of slush.
Just a little bit of feathers. Alright guys, so if you want to take out that lower air box, these 2 pins right here, these little push pins around the rubber garments we have to do, and then that piece comes out, and then now we're going to install. Alright guys, officially KTUNED with an intake back there, a little cold air. So yeah, we take out the lower intake housing, just to let more air in, take some weight out, and we still have the duct right here from the front of the bumper. She's all done.